How to make a paintball pod pack. Pod packs are a very necessary thing to carry with you while playing paintball. Whether you are having fun with friends in a game of woods ball, or you are competing for a cash prize in your local tourney, pod packs will always be the best way to carry paintball on and around the field. But, buying a $50 pack is neither a possibility nor an option if you're in a budget. Steps. 1. Go to your local craft shop and get some elastic. It should be about 5 inches wide and long enough to, when wrapped around your waist, overlap itself by 10 inches, 3 feet, 9 meters. Of single-sided, adhesive Velcro, 1 inch wide, a lot of super glue. 2. Stretch the elastic around your body until it reaches a snug fit. 3. Cut off the excess elastic. 4. Glue some Velcro to the ends of the elastic, let the glue dry. 5. Use the sum of the rest of the elastic to make 2 little loops that can hold 1 pod each. 6. Put on the belt and center it on your body. 7. Have a friend mark where to put the loops on the belt. 8. Sew the loops onto the belt. 9. Use the remaining elastic and stretch it tightly over the pods. 10. Sew them in place. 11. Finished.